Kim from BizLab Online, and welcome to video number 2 of our free Gmail training course. Now, in video number 1, we had a bit of a tour of the Gmail interface together. Video number 2, we're going to look at changing our themes and our inbox types. Now, there are some customizations that you can make to Gmail to make it look and function for what works best for you. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to show you how to change the theme and the way that the inbox looks to you. Now, this is called the inbox styles, but let's start by changing the density of the view in the existing default theme. So what we need to do is head on over and click on the gear icon up in the top right hand corner below our profile image. Now, the first thing that you will notice is that you can change what is called the display density. This is how squished together the emails are in the existing view. So as an example, if I change to cozy, everything gets squished up together a little more. And if I change it to compact, they get squished together even more. The default for inbox styles with Gmail is comfortable. So now let's take a look at changing the theme. I'm going to click on the gear still and click on themes. The theme is the background of your Gmail account. And these slashes below here in the corner, believe it or not, actually mean something. These are the different color schemes that I can choose, and what this little white or dark triangle in the corner means is whether the messages are going to be light colored or dark colored themselves. You can also choose a picture, and you'll notice that in this triangle, that in addition to telling you whether the message is going to be either light or dark, there are also some icons. These change according to, believe it or not, the weather, the time of the day, or the day of the week. I'm going to choose a color and I'll show you how it looks. So let's pick purple, and you can see how it's changed my background. You can come in and change the theme anytime you like. It's entirely up to you. To get back to your inbox, simply click on the inbox icon. Now let's change the InStyle type. Right now we are looking at what is called the classic view. This means the newest mail emails come to the top and I can go through and read them all. Clicking on the gear, choosing settings, then clicking on inbox will let you change the inbox type. Now, I have a few choices. I've already shown you classic, but there are a few others that we can choose from. I can choose important first, and what this does, it signals Gmail to let them know that I could be getting emails from people frequently. It will look for keywords that come up a lot in my emails to create an important inbox for you. Basically, what you are doing, you are training Gmail on what's important and what's not by using the markers beside the inbox. I'm going to show you important first, and you'll notice I get some more settings once I do that. I'm going to select options because I can choose how many actual messages I want to show up in that important section. I can also choose how many messages I want to show up in every other section at the front end of Gmail. So let's go back to our inbox and see how it's changed once I have selected Save Changes down the bottom. So just remember, every time you make a change, you will need to save the changes. Now, these are all the messages in my important view. This means Gmail has decided it's important. Now, these are all the messages in my important view that Gmail has decided are important to me. And how do we know this? Simply because there is a marker right here and it's coloured yellow. Now, if you think that there's something else that's important, you can train Gmail by placing a marker next to that email message. Now, basically what we've done is we've taught Gmail that conversations and which emails are important. Alternatively, you can tell it that a message is not important by simply unchecking the marker. So let's go back to the inbox type by clicking the gear, choosing settings, clicking inbox, and coming back to that inbox type view. You can also have Gmail show you all of your unread messages first. Now, just make a note of this. Gmail does not sort this by date order. I could have an unread message that was in my Gmail account from months ago, but if I've never read it, it's going to show up ahead of a message that has already been read that is newer. So basically, ladies and gentlemen, that is how we change the inbox style and our themes. What I would suggest you do is just go and play with these functions. There's nothing that you can break, and I will see you over in video number 3. But please do make a comment below and let me know how you got on with changing your inbox type and your theme. Bye for now.